Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to Jazz Journey. My name is Jasmine. Today I want to reveal some new spoilers for July, for August, and it's interesting. We also have Boxy Luxe worth up to $500. I'm going to share all that on this video. I'm also going to be talking about the giveaway winners. We have two giveaway winners, and that will be at the end of this video. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to be talking about August base box. This is for you're gonna be seeing the first sneak peek. These are variation of 4. So I know we haven't even received July or know what's gonna be happening for July, let alone we already know what's happening in August. I'm already excited to share with you guys what's coming for August. As you know, the base box is $25. The average value is over $120, and you get 5 full-size items, and you get to choose a product. This is key, guys. If you already signed up or thinking of signing up to the base box, make sure that you don't miss out on this date. I'm going to be giving you the date as well as those variation for the choice item. We already know what the items are to choose from. So on July 13, which is Monday, if you have early access, you're going to be able to choose one of the items I'm going to be talking about. And if you only subscribe just to the base box, that means you're going to be able to make your selection on Tuesday, July 14. You can follow me on Instagram, Boxsneak. I like to give you a heads up as soon as that's open and available, so that way you guys don't miss out on making your selection. So the first item we have is Glam Glow. This is called Moisture Trip, and this one retails for $54. This is an Omega Rich Face Moisturizer. It looks very pretty, but let's go ahead and see a little bit more about it, what this is about. It says it's a lightweight moisturizer with Omega Rich Hemp Seed Oil to calm, soothe, and relieve visible redness and lasting hydration. This is good for the skin type normal, dry, and combination. And if you have any skincare concerns like dryness, dullness, and uneven texture and redness, then this is the cream for you. The highlighted ingredients, it is showing us that it's hemp seed oil, chaga mushrooms, and hyaluronic acid. So here's the first choice item we have. Now, the good thing is that we have 4 to choose from. So let's go ahead and see which one is the second one. The second sneak peek is Born This Way Too Faced. Finally, I've been seeing this in different questionnaires and survey, and it's finally here. This is Born This Way Super Coverage Multi-Use Concealer. I actually have this concealer. I really like it. And it retails for $29. This is a hydrating, full coverage, weightless 4-in-1 formula that conceals, it contours, it highlights, and it retouches. And it comes in 35 flawless shades. Now, we don't know which shades is going to be. The CEO did mention, make sure you guys go and take your beauty quiz. He did say that they're working on it, and they are taking not just the quiz, but also your reviews very carefully. So just make sure that if this is an item you're going to select, take that quiz so that way you get the right match. The finish is going to be natural, and this is great for hydrate. It's gonna be great for hydrating, buildable, and it's multitasking concealer. Like I mentioned, I really like this concealer. I actually have both of the Too Faced, but this one is pretty good. And as you see, it retails $29. Now let's go ahead and look at the third choice item, and this is from Dr. Brandt, and this is a pore purifying cleanser. This one retails for $36, and the size is 3.5 ounce. This is a non-drying pore refining cleanser that is going to remove makeup. It's going to remove residue and dead skin while helping to banish sebum and decongest pores. So that sounds a lot of good things in one. Now let's go ahead and look at the highlighted ingredients. The highlighted ingredients is salicylic acid. So that means that it does have the AHAs, and in this case BHA. It's going to exfoliate and remove dead skin cells. It's going to keep pores clean, and it's going to help prevent clogging. Tea tree oil, it helps purify the skin and supports clarity for a smooth, clear looking complexion. And it has white willow bark extract, which is a natural BHA that gently and effectively exfoliate to unclog and purify pores while soothing the skin. So sounds like a great product. Dr. Brandt is a great brand, and we have received many products in the past, and And as you see, this one is $36. Now let's go ahead and move on to the last choice item. And this is from QMS, which have received their products as well in the past with Boxycharm. But this one is interesting because this one is an Active Glow SPF 15. I know that it's like wondering, okay, but how come it has tint? And the reason why this has tint, this is a tinted day cream, like a moisturizer. So this is a lightweight sheer color adaptive cream with SPF 15 and vitamins, which is going to help blur imperfections to reveal visibly glowing even skin. The combination of a skin perfecting light tint, SPF, and hydrating formula make this an ideal day cream. It is right now we're seeing this a lot, that a lot of people are kind of replacing the foundation for tinted moisturizers or BB cream. They're going to have that natural look, and it's perfect especially for the summer. You want something more lightweight, and also SPF that is tinted is something that a lot of people are using now or recommending. So this one seems very promising, and as you see, that is the price that is showing on the website. It says $105, and this is an SPF 15. So far we have 2 skincare and 2 almost makeup item. I would consider this skincare borderline makeup, but these are the 4 choices, and like I mentioned, guys, don't miss out on that choice date. Now let's go ahead and move on to Boxycharm July. For July 2020, I'm going to go over it really quickly because I already went in another video. I went into details what it brings or what it offers for each product, but in this case I'm just going to talk about it. I'll just give you a recap of what is expected and what we know so far for the base box. This is a choice item, and I think it's so cute how they're together. We have the 3 Skin. This is an NAC Y2 Pollution Defense Booster. We have another booster, which is from Clean Skin Club. This is a Vitamin C Brightening Booster. And then we have Babe Lash Essential Serum. As you know, this was our choice item. Now, let's move on to the second sneak peek. So far, what we know is a variation, but it is confirmed that we're going to be getting it in July in the base box. We have the Hourglass. This is a single eyeshadow. And then we have the Creme Shop, which is like a highlighter. We just have our 3rd recent sneak peek, which I'm excited about, but the only thing is that it's also a variation. The CEO did mention that some charmers are going to be getting it. And this is from Seattle, London. This is the Everyday Vacay Substance. It has niacinamide. I love that. It's going to have a dewy finish, and is scented with coconut, which I love. So this is going to be coming in the July box. This is what we have so far. 3 sneak peeks that are confirmed, but so far they all seem like a variation. So now let's go ahead and move on to premium. We're still talking about July. Premium first sneak peek, as you know, it was a variation. Here's the variation. We have all the prices. This was the choice item between Brow Bar by Rima, Hollywood Icon Face Kit, Kenya Ontiveros Beauty Blush and Shine Kit, and also the Set and Define Kit. As you know, these were the choice items, and these are all face palettes. Now let's move on to the second sneak peek, and as you know, every charmer is going to be receiving it. This is from Murphy, collab with Manny MUA, and it's called MUA a Glam Palette. This one retails for $20. Look at the pigmentation, look at the colors. I think it's so cute. I think it's going to be perfect for, like I mentioned, for the fall. Really cute colors. And I hope it comes with a mirror too. That's what it looks like. So that is a second sneak peek for the premium box, and at least we know that from those 2 we know what we're getting. Now let's talk about the 3rd sneak peek. This is a variation, and it's all more skincare. We have the Bitter Green Essence Toner. We have High CBD Formula Body Lotion, and we have Pore Clarifying Toner. So as you know, we don't know who's going to be getting what on their boxes, but as you know, so far we know that for the July premium box, this is our 3rd sneak peek, and it's also a variation. Now, like I mentioned at the beginning of the video, let's move on to Boxyluxe. We don't have any sneak peeks so far, but I thought it was very interesting when I went to their website. I got this information. They already know the value up to for the September Boxyluxe. Boxyluxe is an upgrade that you get March, June, September, and December. And they're letting us know that for September, the value of the box is going to be up to $500. I think this is the highest I've ever seen as far as I remember. And all you have to do is an upgrade your base box to Luxe every 3 months to get 8 to 9 full-size items, and it's just going to be an additional cost of $24.99. So, and the good thing is that you get to choose up to 2 items. So I think that's pretty cool. I really like that. At least you get to choose 2 items in your box. But guys, that's all I have for Boxy Luxe, but it's interesting. I just want to let you guys know that I don't know, it sounds so far pretty good. So now let's talk about other sneak peeks that are not confirmed. I thought that was interesting as well. I saw this picture, and as you know, last month we saw a picture and there was an item there that was put on the picture we never received, and then we found out it was coming on that month box, and which it was the first aid beauty cream. In this picture I'm seeing something similar. Most of these products we have received in our premium box. Most of them, not all, but most of them have been in the premium box. But there's 2 items there that are sticking out that I've never seen before in the boxes or never even sold in the add-ons. And this is Natasha Denona. This is a glow palette. Not a glow palette, but this is called Natasha Denona Glow. Look how pretty this palette is. But you do see it here, and you see it down here, and you see the box there. Then you see this other product from Natasha Denona is also called Glow, and you see it right there. In another video that they just showed us in TikTok, I did see these products before. I did mention that in my Instagram account, and here I'm seeing it again. So I believe this is coming to one of the boxes. It may come in the box of July. So if that is the case, or if this is a variation, I am so excited to get these in our premium box. In addition, guys, they also kept showing this other palette. This is not confirmed, but it was shown in their TikTok video, and it was showing the Domina Cosmetics, the whole palette. I was surprised to see that, and I'm excited. We have received Domina Cosmetics in the past, and I would love to get this palette, the complete palette as well. So like I mentioned, it's not confirmed, but they were showing this palette in that video. Now, in another video this week, the CEO did mention about the shipping, that they're working, and they believe that in July is going to be so much better than it was in June, and they're going to keep progressing and getting better with the shipping. So I'm glad he did address that. He also mentioned that there's so many great sneak peek coming for July. And he also mentioned some brands. He mentioned 3 of them. He did not confirm if it's going to be for July, but he said these brands are coming to Boxycharm. And the first one he mentioned was Marc Jacobs.
Maybe I shouldn't say, but Clarence, you're going to see some Marc Jacobs, you're going to see some products from Sunday Riley, from quite a few brands, and also the products are...
I thought it was a big coincidence that he mentioned Marc Jacobs, and we did see a picture of the Youthquake skincare moisturizer and previously. So I believe this is a confirmation that he is letting us know this is coming to Boxycharm. And another brand he did mention was Clarence, and we have seen these type of they call natural lip perfector from this brand. We have seen these on beauty surveys in the past, so that's the reason why I put that picture. And the other brand name that he did mention was Sunday Riley, which in the past we have received it in Boxy Luxe. I believe it's already been a year. So I'm excited that he did also let us know about these brands that are coming. So now that we concluded, yes guys, so much information. We have a little bit about September, we have August, and now we have July. I'm excited, so much information to share, and I hope you guys are having a wonderful day and enjoying this day. But now let's get to the giveaway winner. I'm gonna show you exactly. I'm gonna let the system select 2 winners. Please guys, I'm gonna send you an email. I'm gonna reach out to you. Once I do, just contact back. You're gonna have 2 days after I send that email to contact me and give me your full information, so we're able to ship the package to each winner. It's gonna be 2 winners. And thank you so much for your support, for watching my videos, and for participating on the giveaway. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and until the next video, bye.